Here we are in Brownsburg, our newest listing, 742 Hawthorne Lane. I'm really excited to show you this beautifully kept property. Come on, let's go on a tour. Here we are inside of our home. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath property. What I think a future buyer is going to really enjoy about this is the primary bedroom is located on the main floor, but what I personally like is the space here is just ginormous as soon as you walk in. Check out some of the property.
So this home has a compact kitchen, but it's very efficient in the way that the appliances are very close together, which is nice when you're trying to cook and clean up, do dishes, whatever. My favorite part of this kitchen though is the breakfast nook, right now being used for plants, which I also love, but a cute little table there would also work as well. Take a look.
All right, we've seen a lot of the house. Samantha, what's been your favorite part of the entire house?
So other than the kitchen, of course, I love that compact kitchen where things are just really close. My favorite part of the home, though, is the backyard. It's fenced in. I have dogs.
Yeah.
So that's great for dogs, but there's also a big tree that you could put a swing in.
Oh,
And also a garden. There's lots of things you could do back there. So that's my favorite part.
Okay. My name's Landon Bushing. I'm the owner of 1% List Hoosier State Realty. This is
Samantha Sparks.
If you want to learn more on how to save thousands of dollars like we're doing for these clients, don't hesitate to reach out to me.